Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through how to download Adobe After Effects for free. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's dive in. First, open your browser. Type Adobe Creative Cloud free trial into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Adobe website in the search results and click on it. Once the page loads, select the free trial option. Next, you'll see different plans. Choose the business plan, which offers a 14-day free trial. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends. You can see that the Due Now section shows 0 in the total. Now you'll need to enter your email address. Type it in carefully and then click Continue. After that, it's time to fill in your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. Once you've entered your details, you'll see a confirmation screen saying your free trial has started successfully. Now, open a new tab in your browser. Once again, search for Adobe Creative Cloud. In the results, find the official Adobe link and click on it. When the page loads, look for the box icon at the top. Click it, and then scroll down slowly until you See All Apps. Click on that option. You'll now see a list of apps. Look for Adobe After Effects. Before proceeding, click the Sign In button and log in using the email you used to sign up for the trial. Once you're signed in, find Adobe After Effects in the app list and click Install. And there you have it. You're ready to explore Adobe After Effects and start creating amazing projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.